In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add picture to gallery view on Notion. By the end, your gallery cards will display the exact images you want, and you'll understand the 3 most reliable ways to control what shows up on each card. First, open a page inside your gallery. Think of each card in your gallery as a full Notion page with its own content and settings. At the top of that page, click Add Cover. This instantly gives the page a banner-style image. Click the cover again and choose Change Cover. Here, you can upload your own file, pick a free image from Unsplash, or paste a link to an image hosted elsewhere. To make this cover appear on your gallery card, go back to your gallery view. Open the database's 3-dot menu in the top right. Choose Layout and set Card Preview to Page Cover. Now, your card will display the page's cover image right in the gallery. Next, let's use an image that lives inside the page content. Open the page, type /image, and either upload a file or embed a link. Place it near the top of the page so it's easy for Notion to grab. Return to your gallery's 3-dot menu, open Layout and set Card Preview to Page Content. Notion will pull the first image it finds in the page body. If you have multiple images on the page, remember that only the very first one in the content will appear on the card. So reorder them as needed. Finally, if you want a dedicated image field per card, use a Files and Media property. Open your database properties. Add a new property and select Files and Media as the type. Then, for each card, upload or attach the image into that property. Head back to the layout settings for your gallery and set Card Preview to the name of your Files and Media property. This method is great for consistent, thumbnail-style images and keeps your page content uncluttered. A few quick tips as you refine your gallery. The card preview choice is view specific, so changing it affects only the current gallery view. Landscape images usually crop more cleanly in cards. If an image doesn't appear, double-check that you set card preview to the correct source and that the image actually exists there. And remember, you can switch between these methods anytime to match the look and workflow you prefer. That's it. 3 clear ways to add pictures to your Notion gallery view: page cover, page content, and a Files and Media property. Thanks for watching.